Hello, my name is Jorge Isaac. In this video, I will explain 3 Python programs that works with files. These programs are based on Chapter 7 of our book Python for Everybody. So let's start with the first exercise. This exercise reads a file and prints its content in uppercase letters. Here's how it works. The program asks the user to type a file name. It tries to open the file using the open function. If the line opens successfully, it reads each line. Each line is converted to uppercase using upper and print on the screen. If there is a program opening the file, an error message is shown instead. For example, if I type archivo corto.txt, the program will display the content in all capital letters, as you can see. So, in the second exercise, it's a bit more complex. It also asks the user for a file name, but this time it searches for lines that starts with the text XDS spam confidence. Here's what the program does step by step. Open the file given by the user. Look each line in the file. If a line starts with XDSPM confidence, find the number after the colon. Convert that number into a floating point value. Add it to a total and count how many these lines were found. At the end, divide by the total by the count to get the average value. Finally, print the result. So, for example, when I run the program with archivo largo.txt, it shows the average spam confidence. So, for example, again, if I use archivo, I'm sorry. Okay. .txt. It also works and gives a different average. So, in the third exercise, adds an error handling and special Easter egg message. So, here's what happens. Let's go to the third exercise. The program asks the users for a file name. If the user types the special phrase, "We're not strangers to love," the program shows a fun message instead of opening a file. If the input is not a special phrase, the program tries to open the file. It counts how many lines in the file starts with the word subject. If the file cannot be opened, it shows an error message saying it could be not open the file. So, a valid case in case we write archivo corto.txt, it says there's 27 lines subject in the archivo corto.txt. So let's go to the third exercise again. If we put, I don't know, hello, the file cannot be opened, hello, because it doesn't exist. And lastly, if we put the phrase we're not strangers to love, it'll show you know the rules, so do I. So, in conclusion, these three exercises tell us how to work with files in Python. So, thank you very much to see this program and see you in the next exercise.